In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching on PC or laptop. So first of all, what you can try doing is that go to your start section and simply click on power. Then click on restart and restart your computer, as sometimes this can fix the issue. But if this doesn't work, what you can also try doing is that again click on your start section and simply search for Roblox. Now you have to right click on the application and click on run as administrator. Additionally, what you can also try doing is that you have to delete the Roblox application from your system. So to do that, you very simply have to navigate to the start button and right click. Then click on apps and features. This will open up your settings. Now on your settings, you again have to search for Roblox. From here, you very simply have to uninstall this application. After you uninstall the application, you have to open a web browser and simply search for roblox.com/download. Then you have to click on download Windows app and you will be able to easily reinstall the Roblox application. That will surely fix the issue of Roblox crashing. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.